that scientists have been studying climate change for years and looking at how a changing climate affects global temperatures and sea level rise, and that's important. But I think that most people don't know that there's hundreds of studies now connecting the dots between climate change and human health, and that's a big concern. Climate change is fueling more frequent and more intense and longer lasting heat waves. And that heat is not just an inconvenience to people, it kills people.
Global businesses, international cooperation, and the striving for ideals, these are all possible because for millennia, on a global scale, nature has been largely predictable and stable. Now, in the space of one human lifetime, indeed, in the space of my lifetime, all that has changed. The Holocene has ended. The Garden of Eden is no more. The only conditions modern humans have ever known so far are changing, and changing fast. It's tempting and understandable to ignore the evidence and carry on as usual, or to be filled with gloom and doom. But there is also a vast potential for what we might do. We need to move beyond guilt or blame and get on with the practical tasks in hand. If people can truly understand what is at stake, I believe that they will give permission to business and governments to get on with the practical solutions. And as a species, we are expert problem solvers. But we haven't yet applied ourselves to this problem with the focus that it requires. We can create a world with clean air and water, unlimited energy, and fish stocks that will sustain us well into the future. But to do that, we need a plan.
Plants, trees capture carbon from the atmosphere and they use it for growth. And some of that carbon enters the soil and stay for hundreds or even thousands of years. If we could stop the losses of forest around the world, we could directly help to cut our annual emissions.
laying down sand and keeping lanes clear. In some cases, drivers lost control and had to wait for help on the shoulder.
Public Works crews are clearing out the snow along streets and sidewalks so far big by our city.